So I start off in Design Space with this green square because my wall is green, and this is the dimensions of the project that I want to make. This is the size of the decal I want to make for the wall. So first thing I did was got my design cut. I used this airplane, and as you can see, the one I already have made right here. Now it's longer than 12 inches and it's wider by 12 inches, it's taller. So how I did that was, whenever I made this, it was flat like this. So now you can see it's 8.28 inches, and then I fit it into my rectangle that I wanted to, my dimensions, however much of the wall space I wanted to take up. And I flipped it around, and then I rotated it, and that takes up more than 12 by 12, but it's the design I want. So then I added my text in just to where I like it. You could add it however you want. And then, so we got two different colors that we're going to make, and we're going to hide this, and it's going to give us a decal that will take up approximately 38 inches long and a little over 17 inches tall. We'll go ahead and hide the square now because we won't be cutting that. That was just so I can see what colors I wanted and what I was going to use and what looked good, and so I can keep everything in the dimensions that I was wanting it and for the space that I have. So we're going to go ahead and take that away now that I know the colors I want everything, and we're going to click Make It. And I have the Cricut Maker 3, so I can do it without the mat, which I am going to do, but you can do it on the mat as well. They do make the mats up to 24 inches if you have a long one, so that would work for this, but without the mat you can do up to 9 feet, I think, 12 feet maybe. I know the rolls come in 9 and 12 feet. Okay, so we're going without the mat. So now we got 2 sheets of vinyl that we are going to need. We're going to need 2 sheets, both approximately 37 inches, one white and one gray. And you can see how it kind of positioned it. So if you were cutting on a mat, this would just be 2 different mats. You know, one of the words on one. And we could also don't have enough space. Alright, so you know, you can, if you want to save some more, you can even cut it back like this.